In the first example, I'm going to show you to make a glowing text effect, easy glowing text effect in Photoshop using the outer glow layer style. So let's get started. Select or first make a background with a black color, then select the text tool, then make sure to select the Proxima Nova font, or otherwise you can download. It's a easy or it's a free font, and I selected the bold text. Then make a text whatever you like. I'm gonna type MEOW, Meow. Okay, you can arrange the text size, then go to the blending options, then select outer glow. So I already did the settings over here. That's blend mode goes screen, then opacity 100%, then zero noise. Then I selected a solid color, that's sky blue color. Then this technique goes softer, then spread 36 and size 10. Then the linear contour, you can anti-alias this box. Then the range goes 50 and the jitter goes 0. Then click OK. So what we learned in the first video, in the opacity versus fill video, the fill will not affect the layer options, it only affects the text. So we can keep the fill value to 0. So we got a good easy glowing text effect. So this is the way of making the glowing text effect in Photoshop. When we can do, or we can change the contour to see what will happen, and change it to con, so we got another smooth effect. Then it goes con asymmetrical, non-inverted, and next kind of effect. So we can select, we can do this kind of effect. Then cow, con inverted cow is, I think it's a little bit good. And Gaussian, then Gaussian, half round, log, peaks, ring double, then shadow. So this is the making of glowing text effect, simple glowing text effect in Photoshop. And we can do, or we can change the hue saturation value, or hue saturation value to change the color, contrast and color. So this is the making and editing of the glowing text effect in Photoshop with outer glow effect.